right? And I am saying, and this is my new equation, which I'm about to present to you, I'm just presenting it now, that if you start with Planck length and time, which all of physics is absolutely key is the musical key signature of the universe. You go 1,000 light years in any direction, the Planck length and time is the same. Planck length and time is a wavelength in both length and time, into which every wave that physics has ever measured divides evenly. You could call it the key signature of matter. In other words, nothing is smaller. So that is the basics of my new book, Origin of Biologic Negentropy. Hello, slight little ad here. This is financial disclosure. I'm advertising my book, fractalfield.com, Origin of Biologic Negentropy. Oh, the PDF is free, fractalfield.com, or it's available in print or, of course, Amazon, whatever. So the core of that book is my new equation entitled The Book by Origin of Biologic Negentropy, which is if you take Planck length and time, the musical key to everything physics knows about, times golden ratio to integer n. In other words, simply powers of golden ratio. In other words, take Planck and keep multiplying by golden ratio, and then you're done. So you are not allowed to tell me that my new equation for the origin of negentropy is complicated, because it ain't. So this is the definition of all fractality. And many physicists already agree fractality is the cause of gravity. I call this recursive constructive adding and multiplying of